So what's your recommendation to Swedish investors? Should I buy now or should they wait? Or
I think I would say the same thing to Swedish investors that I would say to American investors, and that I have to remind myself of on a daily, almost on a daily basis. I think we are in very, very difficult times when it comes to investing. It's really hard to know what to do. I think, assuming that the Eurozone does in fact not fix itself, that there is a shift going on in focus of where investors should be looking. Clearly, big multinational U.S. companies that have had the wind at their backs in terms of a weak euro, strong dollar, and helping to grow both their top and bottom line. We can see in all the guidance from all these big companies. We saw it today with Dow, we saw it a day or so ago with DuPont, and we will see it again and again. You know, there is earnings disappointments and bad guidance because of currency issues and because of business slowing in the Eurozone. This will continue. So where should investors look? They should look, number one, at large European companies that do a lot of business in the U.S. because they will be able to take advantage of the stronger dollar, weaker euro. So that's number one. And in terms of the U.S., if Swedish investors are in fact buying U.S. stocks, they need to look at U.S. companies that are more U.S.-centric. In other words, companies that don't do a lot of business outside of the U.S. And there are many, many companies that fall into this category. A lot of them will be in the mid-cap and small-cap area. But the main thing is you want to get away from the exposure to the weak euro on the part of big U.S. or any, and for that matter, any U.S. company. And then, fourthly, because of the euro-dollar trade, weak euro, strong dollar, it's going to keep the commodity stocks, the commodity sectors, all under pressure, which would be energy, drilling, metals, you know, whatever the case may be. Anything that is dollar, euro related, which is most of the commodities, in a weak dollar, in a weak euro, strong dollar dynamic, they are going to be less desirable.